2, 3, 4. Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you. I just can't believe it's true. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling too. I just can't believe it's true. Oh honey, yeah, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Sugar Sugar by the Archies, this cool 60s song. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Okay, so we have a few basic chords and a few basic parts in this song and one very cool picking that I'll show you. So first let's start with the strumming pattern and the intro. For the intro we need the chord of D, which I'm grabbing with one finger, and for this song it will be very helpful if you can grab it like this. And actually it's not really necessary to play the A string here, but just having the pointing finger barring the second fret will help you do the pick that I'll show you in a little bit. But first the strumming pattern. So we have the D chord and after that we have the G chord. Alright, these are the two most common chords in this song. So the strumming I'm doing is something like down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. Alright? And in the intro we have D to G to D to G. And then we start the chorus, which starts with the little pick, which is something like this. Okay, so I'm playing down, up, and then if you can open the A string like this, you play the A string open 2 times, and then on the 5th fret, then again open, going to G chord, playing the chord once, and then E string, C string, up, down, up. Whoa, the wind got a little bit more serious. And if you cannot open the A string while playing the D chord, you can also do it with the 3 fingers. Let me come a little bit closer. You can also do it with the 3 fingers like this. Or the other option, if you cannot really open the A string, is just to play the D chord like this, muting the A string, not really playing it, and then playing the G string on the 2nd fret twice, and then A string on the 5th fret, and then again G string. Okay? Notice how if I'm playing the G string, I'm playing it with the thumb, and then on the A string with the pointing finger going up, right? That way, when I'm doing the down strum, I'm just focusing on the G string. I'm not playing all the strings, just the G string like this. And on the up strum, just the A string, right? I'm just kind of diagonally playing it a little bit outside like this. Okay, so these are the 3 ways to play this little riff or pick or whatever you want to call it. Choose the one that is most suitable for your fingers and your abilities. For me personally, it's this one with D as a bar but open A string. Because I kind of like this movement like walking with the pointing finger and middle finger. And also the sound that it produces is really crisp. So, sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl. And here we have quicker chords, D to G to A, and you got me wanting you, honey, yeah, sugar, sugar. And the second time just ends a little bit differently. Again, D to G to A, and here just stay on D, right? The second time that we do this. And then we start the verse, for which we play D, I just can't believe the love, C, but just for one time the strumming pattern, back to D. And then again we have D to G to D, I just can't believe the of this feeling too, I just can't believe it's true. And the second time we ended on A. And then we go through another chorus. Honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey, yeah, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. And after the second chorus we have the second verse, and then we have the bridge, which is super similar to the chorus. Pour a little sugar on me, baby, pour a little sugar on me, darling. And now the female goes, I'm gonna make your life so sweet, hey, hey, hey. And now we repeat this, yeah. And we start from the beginning, the same part. Pour a little sugar on me, honey, pour a little sugar on me, darling, I'm gonna make your life so sweet, hey, hey, hey. And then chorus, honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. And the song is a fade out here, but you can finish it as you want. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting. At least, I don't know, I would finish it like that. And this sums up my tutorial for Sugar Sugar. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned with me. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, request songs, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.